So at Cricket Namibia, our vision is to be globally competitive, value-based, inclusive, as we strive and become the preferred sports code of choice. And this is why we're here today. This vision is not merely a statement, but a mission that drives every project we undertake to achieve it. We rely on our stakeholders like Ranga Heinrich and our community, school, government, and sponsors who play a vital role in helping us bringing this vision to life. Today, as we break ground and celebrate this important milestone, we take another meaningful step in aligning our efforts with our Cricket for All campaign. This campaign represents our commitment to making cricket accessible to every Namibian child, no matter where they live. The construction of this cricket net is not just about building infrastructure and looking good and pretty. It's about creating opportunities, discovering talent, and bringing hope to the youth of Mondesa and Swakop as a whole. Cricket is more than a sport. It's a tool for transforming. We have seen how beautiful the game has changed many lives in the communities across Namibia. Today we are humbled to take another step towards building a brighter future for the youth of Mondesa and beyond. This is a milestone would not be possible if it was not for our general sponsor of Ranga Heinrich Ruranya.